Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. Today I'm here with my Universal Laser 3.60. This is the VLS. This is the workhorse of the high school wood shop. I've had this thing over 7 years, 30 kids per hour, dusty environment. Single-handedly the best tool I've ever had in this wood shop. I love this tool. Every single kid could walk out of this high school wood shop with a beautiful project. Every wood project that's maybe not the best, you do a little laser engrave to Mom with love, Bob, it works 100 times better. So I can't recommend this laser engraver enough. I have a couple other ones that were less expensive, but they are not the workhorse this one is. Unfortunately, 7 years later, or not unfortunately, unbelievably, 7 years later, the tube in the back is starting to fade a little bit. The way we use this thing, I used some funds to go ahead and replace the back. UPS driver's coming by today to bring me that 30-pound box with the replacement tube in the back. I'm going to show you today how easy it is to swap it out. So first thing I did was dust the whole thing off, and it's dusty out here. Disconnected the vac, disconnected the power. Open it up, and there it is. There's the tube. Really want to dust it out well, so using compressed air, I dusted all of the exterior fans here, because it's drawing air from the outside in a dusty environment and to keep the tube cool. Only one harness right here. Loosen these up. This comes out, and then this whole tube just lifts out. I just got the new tube from Universal. There's a new one, just pull it out, put the old one back in the box, send it back, hang that new one up. The key alignment is this little tab right here. So that thing just has to align right up to it, if you could see it. Plug it back in, ready to go. I made a mistake when I said 7 years old. The old one was 10 years old. So I've been running that thing for 10 years. In a high school wood shop, dusty environment, hundreds of kids every day, and that thing has been delivering for 10 years straight. I can't tell you how great it is to be working with Universal here. Working like a charm. Thing's beautiful. I love this tool. Man, I love this thing.